Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off data usage warning on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, we go down and tap on connections. Now in here, we scroll down and tap on data usage. Next, scroll down and tap on billing cycle and data warning. In this page here, you can tap on set data warning to switch it off or turn it on. If you switch it off, then it will disable the data warning section. If you switch it on, then you can set the data warning. So in here, let's say if you have 10 gigabytes of data usage each month, perhaps you can set the data warning at say 8 gigabytes, so 80%. So when you're using over 80% of your data usage, the phone will will send you a warning that you have reached that amount. You still can continue to use your mobile data, but you will get a warning. And that's it. So tap on the set button, and after that you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.